Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy raspberry cheesecake mousse. It tastes like a lovely light raspberry cheesecake, but only has 4 ingredients and is super quick, fast, simple to put together. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this raspberry mousse a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. Start by pouring a cup of cream into a bowl. I'm just using plain fresh Irish cream. You can use heavy, whipping, double, really just depends. Anything you can whip into whipped cream that you like to use, that is what you can use here. So yeah, that was a cup of cream, and now just whip it until you've got just starting to form whipped cream. Okay, it's just starting to kind of sort of thicken, and I'm going to add in my sweetness now. I'm just going to go for 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add stevia, whatever you like. So 1 and 2. So now just whip that in. So you've got beautiful whipped cream. I don't like to over whip it at this stage because we're still going to add cream cheese and whip that. You don't want to kind of over whip the cream, so it's looking nice and creamy to me. So I'm going to add in the whole little tub of cream cheese. And we'll whip that in until it's lovely and creamy. Oh, look at that beautiful creamy mousse. And now it is totally up to you with the raspberries, how you're going to deal with them. I've chopped most of, punted up. I've left a few whole to keep as decoration. Now I'm going to just whisk some of them in and then fold in the rest. So some of the raspberries will get completely infused, some will be inside. You'll get a pop of raspberry, and then we'll have some on top for decoration too. So we'll just whisk that in. We've got a beautiful soft pink colour, and now I'll move the beaters off and just fold the rest of the raspberries through. So just fold them through gently so there's raspberries everywhere. It's kind of like a raspberry ripple, isn't it? Oh. Now you can just leave it in this and pop it straight in the fridge, but I do want to pop it into a little presentation bowl. I popped the mousse into this pretty pink, almost iridescent bowl. It's so pretty, and you can just enjoy it like that, but I'm just going to pop a few raspberries on top. And there you go, that's perfect, my perfect raspberry cheesecake mousse. It tastes like a light cheesecake. It makes a lovely dessert through summer or all year round, really, when you can get hold of raspberries. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely raspberry cheesecake mousse a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.